Hey guys, John here. Welcome to another Gadgets House of Build. I just wanted to get into a couple little things real quick. You know, um, I have been going back and forth and trying to find different things for practice on. And not wanting to spend a ton of money on going to the store, going to a supplier to go pick up a bunch of metals that you're just going to basically weld, grind, weld, grind, weld, grind, weld, just to continuously practice and keep on going on these coupons and things like that. Um, I watch the fabrication series and really actually I enjoy his videos. He's humorous, he's knowledgeable, really good. Um, you know, I mean, everybody's up, everybody has their likes and their dislikes, but I happen to really like the guy. Um, as far as his work on his videos, and he can, he seems like he would be like an outstanding teacher at welding and everything. He's very knowledgeable in all of the voltage, the amperage, wire sizes, everything that you need to do. Um, and he's looking at some of his stuff that he's done as far as his TIG welding is just incredible. Another guy is welding tipsandtricks.com, and his name is Jody, and his videos are outstanding. He is definitely a guy who teaches. He's also, he's very experienced. He's knowledgeable. But getting back to the fabrication series is, he usually promotes weldmetalsonline.com. Yeah, weldmetalsonline.com. Should know that because it's sitting right there in front of my face. Um, you know, and I bought a bunch of these coupons and everything for them, and it probably cost me about $50, and it wasn't that bad of a price considering I got a mess load of coupons and metals and everything. Each pack holds about 10. They have some puzzles, different things like that on there. Really outstanding, place. I have to say, I ordered it I think on Friday and I got it by Monday. That was just sick, but they did it really cool. They gave me a laser tungsten with the order, and they gave me some filler metals. Nothing crazy, but enough to work with what I have as far as the metals that I purchased, and that's pretty cool. Like I said, they have some little puzzles. I bought some not so complicated ones because I need to be a not so complicated TIG welder right now. So I bought some to hopefully get a little bit of practice in, and that's what I'm going to work on soon. Hopefully, I'll give you a couple of videos on how I do with it, you know, because I'm not going to tell you that I'm anybody grand at doing it. So you're not going to see some instantaneous, woohoo! I'm awesome. I did it. I stacked those dimes like crazy. Just not happening. Nah, just not. But you never know. So, when I do practice, it'll be, I'll put up a camera and I guess we'll check it out and see how well I do. On another note, just keep an eye out because I got some videos coming up as far as projects are going. You know, you'll have to just wait and see what they are. So be on the lookout. I'll also put a link below for the weldmetalsonline.com. So if you want to just click on there and buy some metals, be my guest. Like I said, they did me right, and I like them, and I happen to like it, so I will definitely be buying more. So I'm not boosting them because they sponsor me. Like I said, I purchased my own. I just happen to like them, and I'm sharing the information with you, and that's about it. And and just the guys that I like watching on YouTube, for the information and building things, like I said, is welding tips and tricks. Jody is outstanding. The fabrication series, the fabricator, Justin is outstanding as well. Another one that I really enjoy watching is Jimbo's Garage. It's he's just a crack up, and like I said, I'm on the East Coast. These guys are all I don't know where Jody is, but the fabrication series and Jimbo's Garage is on the West Coast, and I just enjoy watching them, and I think they're really educational and really good, and you know what, they make their videos fun. That's the big thing. They make their videos fun. So just wanted to share that with you a little bit. Like I said, check those guys out and watch them, and sooner or later you'll see me hopefully doing a couple of videos that are a little bit more worth watching. All right, you all have a great night, and like I said, like, share, and subscribe. Get some people out there to start hitting up, and watching. Have a great night. All right.